Welcome everyone! Imagine a time when our solar system had 9 recognized planets, and then suddenly Pluto is no longer classified as a planet, but rather as a dwarf planet. 1. Why is Pluto considered a dwarf planet? 2. What criteria led to Pluto's change in status from a planet to a dwarf planet? 3. When was Pluto reclassified as dwarf planet? Who discovered the Pluto and when? Who suggested the Pluto name? What are the key differences between planets and dwarf planets? And how does Pluto fit these criteria? Do you want to know the reasons? Let's start. American astronomer Percival Lowell first suggested that Pluto existed in 1905, when he observed strange deviations in the orbits of Neptune and Uranus. Lowell thought there must be another whose gravity is tugging on these ice giants, causing discrepancies in their orbits. Lowell proceeded to predict the mystery planet's location in 1915, but he died 15 years before its discovery. Pluto was eventually discovered in 1930 by Cyle de Tombaugh at the Lowell Observatory, based on predictions by Lowell and other astronomers. Pluto got its name from 11-year-old Venetia Burney of Oxford, England, who suggested to her grandfather that the New World get its name from the Roman god of the underworld. Her grandfather then passed the name on to Lowell Observatory. This name also honors Percival Lowell, whose initials are the first 2 letters of Pluto. For a long time, we thought Pluto was unique in the Kuiper Belt. But as astronomers discovered more and more about the Kuiper Belt, they learned that there are lots of objects like Pluto. More like Pluto, in some ways, than Pluto is like the other planets. Finding all these new objects, it became necessary for astronomers to get more specific about what we mean by the word planet, and figure out which category Pluto fit into. The 3 rules astronomers of the International Astronomical Union came up with to define a planet are: 1. The object must orbit the Sun. 2. The object must be massive enough to be roughly spherical. 3. The object must have cleared its orbit of any objects of comparable mass to its own. Pluto satisfies the first 2 of these criteria, but not the third. Because of this reason, Pluto considered as a dwarf planet. As we wrap up our discussion, remember that science is an ever-changing field. Reminder that our definitions and classifications are not set in stone, but adapt to our growing knowledge. Thank you for exploring this intriguing topic. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching this video.